In the hidden corners of our world lives an animal that seemingly cannot be killed. It's not large or fearsome. In fact, it is almost completely invisible to the naked eye. Placed under a microscope, its true form is revealed: the tardigrade, or water bear. It plods along on 8 stubby legs, a microscopic mariner in a world of water droplets. But when its environment turns hostile, the tardigrade performs a seemingly impossible feat of biology. It curls up, retracting its legs and head, entering a state of suspended animation. This desiccated form, known as a tun, is a fortress of biological defiance. Scientists subjected these tuns to brutal tests, starting with temperatures far above boiling. After being boiled, a drop of water was added. The tardigrades simply reanimated and crawled away. Next, they were frozen in liquid nitrogen, near the coldest temperature theoretically possible. When thawed and rehydrated, they woke up completely unharmed by the absolute cold. They were crushed under immense pressure, thousands of times greater than the deepest ocean trench. Even this was not enough. The pressure was released, water was added, and life returned. But all these earthly challenges were just a prelude to the tardigrade's greatest journey. In 2007, scientists strapped a container of tardigrades to the outside of a satellite. They were launched into orbit, beyond the protection of Earth's atmosphere, and exposed to space. For 10 days, they endured the pure vacuum and lethal solar radiation of open space. No other animal in history has ever survived this direct exposure. It was a death sentence. The satellite returned to Earth. The samples were retrieved, scientists added water, and they waited. Against all odds, the spacefaring tardigrades began to stir. They had survived the void. This process is called cryptobiosis, which translates to hidden life. It's a form of stopping time. The tardigrade replaces nearly all the water in its cells with special protective sugars. These sugars form a glass-like matrix inside the cells, locking everything in place. This prevents cell membranes from bursting and sensitive proteins from unraveling. All chemistry stops. But another protein shields its most vital component from the ravages of radiation: its DNA. This protein, nicknamed D-sup for damage suppressor, physically hugs the DNA, protecting it. Scientists have inserted this tardigrade gene into human cells grown in a lab. The result was astonishing. The human cells became significantly more resistant to X-ray damage. The tardigrade's toolkit doesn't just protect itself, it can also protect other forms of life. Some were found frozen in ice for over 30 years. They were thawed and they revived. One of these ancient survivors even went on to lay eggs, producing healthy offspring. This raises a profound question. Is the tardigrade truly living while in its tun state? If all metabolic processes have stopped, can we say that it is truly alive? It exists as pure potential, a machine waiting for a single drop of water to reboot. Could this be a model for long-duration space travel for humans in the distant future? The tardigrade's secrets could help preserve organs for transplant or create radiation-resistant crops. It is a master of survival, a living testament to life's incredible tenacity. It teaches us that even the smallest creatures can hold the biggest secrets to survival. It has endured 5 mass extinctions on Earth and will likely outlive humanity. A humble water bear, showing us the boundary between life and death, is beautifully blurred.